I have no idea if you can hear me or not. I've got no idea if you can see where I'm going, but I'm ready to take you for the first outing on the Ducati ST2. Now, you might notice the battery light is on. If I increase the revs, it goes off, so that's something I'm going to have to look at. I can't go anywhere yet because it says low. Now, thanks to you guys in the comments who told me that low means the temperature is a bit low and you've got to wait for it to start reading a temperature before you really go anywhere. Just to make sure that the engine's nice and warm. So I'm going to wait for that and then off we can go. Right, so we're up to temperature and off we go. Now, like I said, I've got no idea if you can hear me. I've got no idea what you can see. So we'll just run with this. If you're watching this video, then obviously it went quite well. The battery light has gone off, which is nice. Would suggest that the battery is charging. The gear ratios on this bike are kind of all over the place, to be honest. It does not like being at low RPMs. I don't know whether that's this bike, whether it's faulty, whether it's normal, whether it's a Ducati thing. As you can see, the indicator is flashing super fast. That is something else I need to fix, which I think I probably want to put stock indicators on it just because, well, you know me, I like stock. Come on, cars. Okay, round the roundabout we go. So it vibrates quite a lot. I'm not sure if that's me or if that's the bike, whether it's the nature of the V-twin or whether that is the sign of a problem. Probably the latter. The battery light comes on under 2,000 RPM, so that probably means that either the rectifier that I put on isn't any good or the alternator itself isn't charging optimally. Okay, now I don't know if you're going to be able to tell this on the camera, but watch this vibration if I do a hard accelerate. So you can see it accelerating through the dials. I'm not sure if that's normal, probably not. I mean, I don't think V-twins are the smoothest things on the planet. This is fun. It feels like I'm, you know, with someone on my bike, but I'm not. I'm just talking to myself. Right, here we go. Let's open her up. Close the helmet. Oh yeah. Oodles of torque. Let's. Oh, it feels great. However, if I now put it in 6th gear, I'm at 5,000 RPM. If I open the throttle fully, watch how much this vibrates. Not sure what that's all about. I mean, it's no slouch. It's not as quick as the Thundercat was, to be honest. Probably not really anywhere near. I think this has got 83 brake horsepower. Thundercat had 100. However, this has pretty much the same amount of torque, if not more torque. I can't remember the stats and figures. I'll stick them on the screen now. I just hope you can hear me okay, else I'm going to have to do this all again. So it's going to be a bit trafficy because I'm on my commute home. There's a roundabout up here. All else fails, we can go all the way around the roundabout, right? All the way round the roundabout, roundabout. I'm going a sensible 30, 35 mile an hour. This is a national speed limit, this bit. You know, I could overtake this car, but what's the rush? You know, it's a beautiful summer's evening. I've got my lights on, everyone can see me. 2nd gear at 30 mile an hour, it's just not happy. I don't know if it might be the bike. I mean, it's 25 years old, come on guys. It's done 19,240, wait for it, 1 miles. I don't think it's been used out in the rain much. It certainly hasn't been used as a commuter bike. It's definitely a weekend bike. Oh, hello, right, little side nod of the head. Yes, that's how we communicate. Bikers. Biker, 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 biker. Blah, 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 blah. I mean, I can see what Kate means when she says it's blubby. Blubby, blubby, blubby. I'm just waffling rubbish. This is like a 20-25 minute commute, and I guess this part of the video is probably only going to be about 30 seconds. It's just going to be me waffling on. I don't even know if it's still recording, to be honest. I can't see the camera. It's attached to the front of my helmet. I should be talking about the bike, shouldn't I? I mean, it feels great. It feels great. It's got plenty of torque. Accelerates nicely. Like I said, it's not happy down in the low rev range, and I'm wondering if that's related to the fact that the battery's not charging at the low rev range either. Maybe it's not creating enough electricity to make a decent spark, and it's just having a bit of a misfire. Could be. It's just a theory. We'll get out onto some country roads soon and really open her up. So this is an average speed camera section. However, not that I'm doing less than 30. I'm doing the same speed as all the other cars. It's a 30 mile an hour average speed limit. However, see those speed cameras up there? They're looking up the front of me. I don't have a number plate on the front because, well, it's a motorbike and they don't have number plates on the front. Alright, I'm coming around here, guys. Please don't pull out in front of me and kill me. That would be nice. It's always nice when you get home and no one's tried to kill you. Normally you get at least one. But if you expect it, then you can ride defensively, which is what you should be doing all the time anyway. Do you know what? I really fancy a beer. I might go have a pint tonight. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, just sounds angry, doesn't it? It's like, Rah! Oh, this is a funny little village. You get people in high-vis jackets that stand there. This is nice. This is a lovely evening. I'm not cold. I'm not wet. I'm not blinded by the sun. The roads are dry. And I'm on my Ducati! So in the comments, give me like a review. Let me know what you think to the video quality, the sound quality, my riding quality. I'm sure there's plenty to critique on my riding. I am now absolutely 100% hooked and addicted to motorbikes and everything they stand for. I love riding them, I love building them, I love fixing them. I like just pushing them around. I like looking at them. They're an engine attached to a piece of scaffolding with two wheels attached to it, and that's it. And it's just you sit on that. You've got all the freedom and all the power that you could possibly imagine, just literally here on your right hand. And you can ride like I said, a 50cc scooter, or you can have a Hayabusa. It's all about how responsible you are and how careful you are, and also experience. I love this bike. It's really nice to ride. Actually, it feels like Kate's SV6. She's got an SV650, and it feels like that. It's like similar kind of steering to it, like turn on a dime kind of thing. Not a big fan of this clutch. I'm not going to lie. There's neutral. See. In all fairness, these are brand new boots, and I need to adjust the gear shifter a little bit because I can't quite lift my foot high enough to like solidly get it into a gear. We're about to go down one of my favourite roads. I've been driving down this road for the last 20 years and no one's turning right. This is amazing. Yeah! Amazing. Nobody turned right, which means we have got amazing ride ahead of us. Well, until we catch up with the car. I love this road. bike. He's like, yeah, get some. Yes, 60 mile an hour speed limit. So we'll go 60 miles an hour. Because that is obviously how fast I normally go around this down this road. Great. I've noticed a lot of YouTubers have a bit of a fault where the dials go blurry. I'm not really sure what that's about. Oh, hello. Oh, yeah. Oh, learner. Still. You look like you had the proper kit on. I've always got respect for a learner with the proper kit on. Even if he's only got like little 125. You know, because you come off at 30, you come off at 70. If you're not wearing gloves, or proper jeans or a jacket, you know, dress for the slide, not the ride. See, it didn't take long to catch up with the car, did it? I might just back off a little bit. Just back off. Oh, just roll down this hill. Keep rolling, rolling, rolling. Oop. I mean, who speeds up for a corner? Is that about? And no. Right, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for watching. I hope I wasn't too boring for you. I hope you enjoyed this ride as much as I did. The bike seems to be great. Bike is happy. Like I said, there's a couple of issues. Battery light, the indicator's flashing too fast, and the slight vibration, but you know, low end torque. So I'll check those things out at some point in the future. I'm just going to enjoy the bike for now and enjoy this beautiful ride home. Catch you next time. Ooh, pub.